Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's Shopping Sunday, and I am excited to share all of the treasures I found this week, so no need to keep you waiting. Let's dive in. So the first thing I'm really excited about is a new dish collection at Dollar Tree. They have really been bringing it with their dish collections this year, and this one did not disappoint. So check out this drinkware. At first glance, it looks like glass, but no, this is plastic, but it is gorgeous. Now, this goes along with their summer line, and they have this glass or plastic cup in a blue and a clear. So this is perfect for summer when you want to take things outdoors and don't want to have to worry about glass shattering. The other things that go along with this collection is the plates as well. So these are the large dinner plates, and you guys, these are not ceramic. These are melamine plates. So they're very outdoor friendly, and they're blue and white with floral design. Now they also do have a bowl to go with this collection. Again, this is melamine, and this also goes along with the collection with that beautiful blue flower design. Now they did continue those cups or glasses in this collection as well, and this one is a little drink or juice or a stemless wine glass. They do have it in both the clear and the blue colors, and again, since these are plastic, they are very outdoor friendly. Now this one was a very impressive one. This is the tall drinking glass, but it has a lid and a straw to make it a tumbler. I love this one. This is probably my favorite piece in this collection. You can get it in clear or you can get this in blue. And these pieces are all just $1.50. Yes. Now, to go along with this collection, they had some plain plates as well. If you wanted a plain white melamine plate, they did have that if you didn't want a floral design. Now, this is a little thicker, and I love that it has the little lip around the edge. So they did have this in white and blue, and if you wanted to carry things around on your plate without it spilling over the edge, I love that it has the little lip, and these are both melamine as well. To go with this collection, they do also have linens. Now, this is the 100% cotton oven mitt, and it does reflect that same floral pattern that is on the plates and the bowls, and you can get it in a lighter or darker colorway. Now they did also have the pot holders, and at Dollar Tree, all of their pot holders are sold in a 2-pack, which is great. They're $1.50 for the set. Now if you wanted some dish towels, they had those as well. Now these are 100% polyester, but you can get them in a white background or a blue background. So this new dish collection is really so pretty for the summer and very outdoor friendly. So make sure you check it out. Now, speaking of kitchen items, they had more of the character items as well. Now I featured a bunch of them in my last video. Here are even more. So these are the oven mitts, and as you can see, they had the SpongeBob theme. You can get Spider-Man, Mickey Mouse, and Star Wars. Now this is the full size oven mitt. Now these oven mitts in this collection are $1.50 since they are the licensed ones. So make sure you check these out and make sure you check multiple stores. Now if you don't want a full oven mitt, they do have the mini mitts as well, so they don't take up as much room and they're not as bulky. And they had those in all 4 characters as well. So it looks like Dollar Tree is going to be getting a lot of Disney things in the store. So, and it's much cheaper than going to the Disney store. So definitely check that out for $1.50. You just can't beat that price for these items for Disney and licensed type products. Last week, I featured this rectangular bowl with different lids. This week, I found the round one, and these also have those color lids. So they're clear on the top, but they have a little distinctive color ring, whether you want it in green, blue, you can get it in pink and purple. They even had a yellow one hanging out back there. So yes, these are glass bowls with plastic lids. So they're more versatile. You can use them in the microwave and the refrigerator and things like that. So these are $1.50. Now I did feature a bunch of these bottles in my last video, but I did not see this orange one. This is a new one. It's got squares and dots on it. Really cute for $1.50. Another item on the kitchen wall that I spotted that I did not see before is this strainer scoop. Now, this is a large straining scoop. It's great for straining vegetables and pasta and things like that. Now, they did have two colors available for this large strainer scoop. You can get it in a green scoop or you can get it in a red scoop. Let me know what you would use this for in your kitchens. And these are just $1.25 for this new item. If you're looking for some to-go boxes, they have these round to-go bowls with the lid. So it's like a paper kind of craft kind of bowl with a lid. If you're ready to send some leftovers away and you want to use something disposable, that's great. Now I headed over to the craft section. New items, you guys. So excited. This time it's these multi-pack of mirror cuts, whether you wanted a diamond shape, square shape. They did have some circular shapes in here. And then they did have some kind of leafy or petal shapes. You guys, these are $1.25 for these crafting items. Now, if you're into bracelet or necklace making, earring making, they have these collections of beads, which is really gorgeous. And I love how they organized each of these by color. Now, it does come with the stranding in case you wanted to make bracelets, but I can see multi-uses for these little kits, and they have a bunch of different colors that you can choose from. Just $1.25 for this item. Now, this is always handy in the craft section. This is a sewing kit with the storage box. I know someone mentioned before the boxes are gone. No, the storage box does come with this. This is handy for every day. Grab one of these, stick it in your glove compartment, your handbag. You never know when you're going to need it. Also, this $1.25 is this. This is the polyester fiber fill in a 4-ounce container. If you love to make pillows, stuffed animals, anything like that, that's $1.25 for that bag of polyfill. Now, I featured these diamond painting sets before, but I have not seen the bee one before, but I wanted to let you know that's at Dollar Tree. And look what's back. The prime art markers are back. You can get the 5-pack in the primary colors, the fluorescent colors, and you can also get it in the pastels as well. I'm excited to see these back because they were so popular when they were released. And these are the double-sided markers, which is $1.25. Also, I found this in the craft section. Now, this is not a regular item. This is a plus item, but it is a 2-pack of 12 by 16 canvases for $3. I think that is such a good deal if you need a 2-pack of canvases. Now, going along with the DIYs, Rust-Oleum stain spotted at Dollar Tree. This is another color. This one's in hickory for $1.50. And while I was in that section, I found another pair of the 3M glasses. This time, I found these safety eyewear glasses. Now, last week, I found the over the glasses cover. This week, I found the safety glasses. Both pairs are just $1.50. And let me tell you, $1.50 is much better than what you're going to find at your big box store. So grab them here. Over in the stationery, Jot has come out with another new organizer. This time it is a 3-compartment organizer. So pretty. You can use it in your office, but I can see it for use in the kitchen, on your vanity, in your drawer, a bunch of things for $1.25. Now, hopping over to the health and beauty, I found 3 new packs of beauty blenders, and you can see there's 3 of these that come in a pack in multiple colors. And then you can see that each one has a really different shape depending on what your beauty needs are. Now, one thing I really love about this is that this collection comes with a container to keep your beauty blenders nice and clean, lint free, germ free. So yes, definitely check these out. They are $1.25 in the health and beauty section at Dollar Tree. I found a new product too, and this is by Spascriptions. So this is the black peel-off mask with green tea. I've never seen this version at Dollar Tree in a 5-ounce container. That's $1.25. They have some body washes for the kiddos, you guys. So you can get Stitch with Vanilla Shake and Jasmine. You can get Wicked with Cherry Blossom and Vanilla Mint. They also had some Minnie Mouse ones. This one is in Strawberry. Now for Toy Story, they have that one in Apple. And then they had the Harry Potter in lychee. Yeah, that's the one for that. And carrying on with the characters, if you have not seen the bathtub tiles sold in the 4-pack, they do have those at Dollar Tree. They are $125, and you can see that they had all kinds of characters, perfect for the kids' bathroom to prevent slipping and all the things. Also for the babies, have you seen that the Arm & Hammer Essentials line has a baby body wash and shampoo? Well, that's $1.25 as well. Now, if you're still shopping for Mother's Day, they have some new gift sets that you can put together for mom, which are really great. And they have the Island Hibiscus collection and the Coastal Capri. Now, they have in-shower body balm, the body scrub, the body wash, and bubble bath combinations. Now, I love this. This is really cute. This is the bridal hair collection. Now, a lot of this collection features like your sparkly stones, some pearls on gold hardware. So this is like that special occasion that you might want to put something special in your hair. I just think that these are so gorgeous. And you guys, these are just $1.25 for all these pieces. They look so much more expensive, but wearing just for that special occasion for $1.25, that is definitely a really good deal. I would check these out if you're looking for something like this. And to put all your Mother's Day things in, they have the cutest Mother's Day gift bag. So this looks like a gift bouquet. It does have 2 straps at the top. And then when you open it up, you see it expands so you can put a larger gift in it. They even have some that are shaped like little handbags with little flowers on them. I just thought they were the cutest thing. And they're a pretty good size. So you can put some pretty large gifts in there if you wanted to. Now these bags here are just $1.50. Yes, I love that. And you can see it has a gift bag on the inside. Now this is a random find. This is a wearable. This is the Mossy Oak Performance Boxer Briefs. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree. So at my store, they had medium, large, and extra large. I did not see any smalls, but there may be some at your store. So make sure you keep your eye out for this for $1.50. In the food section, these were new, Jet Puffed Bits. These are vanilla marshmallow bits you could put on your ice cream or any kind of desserts, whatever you might want, and they are $1.50 in the pantry items. And here's another Johnny B's product that I came across. This is the pizza mac and cheese spirals, a new item, another $1.50 pantry item that is available at the store. I had to swing by the pet section, and this time I found the Chew Safe plant-based chew toys. So these are the chew bones shaped like the wishbone. They did have them in the salmon flavor. This blue one here, this one is a beef flavor. And then another flavor that they had in the green pack was the chicken. Now, when you give these items to your pet, always supervise your pets when engaging with any kind of chew items. It's just the safest way to go. And this is regardless of what item you buy. Make sure you're watching them. Now, here's another random item. This is the official Major League Baseball trademark and licensed bucket. Really nice, you guys. We hardly see these licensed things at Dollar Tree. And the thing is, this is just $1.25. So make sure you check that out as well. So I went over to the plus section. There's a few things I wanted to feature. Now, the Tough Totes I featured in my last video in black. I wanted to show you they are available in blue for $10 as well. But this was a new item. This is a quilted messenger bag. This is really thick. It has a couple of zippered compartments, a long adjustable strap. Oh wow, this was really nice. I really like this, and it was only marked for $7. This is also another popular item at Dollar Tree. Now, this one is a returning item. It came out around the Christmas holidays, sold out. This is a crossbody bag for $10. Now, another thing that's returning but expanded is the wallet. So this is a 2 zipper compartment wallet. Now they're offering it in a tan color because they only had black before. So this thick wallet is nice, and it's only $5. Now, if you prefer something smaller, like a little wristlet, they had those as well in tan and black, and it has a little beaded handle that you could just wear around your wrist and carry just your important things with you. You guys, these are only $3. So Dollar Tree is really stepping it up with different types of things, and these would be great for Mother's Day gifts. Now, if you're still hunting for things or maybe shopping for dad, look, they got rubber car floor mats at Dollar Tree. New item that just arrived. Now, this is a 4-pack of mats. It has 2 front, 2 back. These are waterproof, non-slip, and universal to most vehicles for $10. These are a good deal compared to the automotive stores. Now, another thing they have is a car pocket. This is a seat pocket. This is for that annoying gap between the seat and the console that we always lose things in. They have 2 in this box and they're $5. I think that these will definitely come in handy for catching all those bagglers and loose French fries that happen to just fall into that crevice every single time. Now, keep an eye out for the air fresheners. The Little Trees, 3 packs of air fresheners are going on sale at different locations. They are normally $3, but they are being marked down to $1.50. Now, this wasn't at every one of my stores, but most of them did have this sign up, but they were sold out. So keep an eye out on your stores. Now, if you're looking for outdoor pillows, the Dollar Tree just received a shipment of these as well in different prints. You can get the garden leaves. You can get a blue one here that has white stripes on it. Very summery. I love that. And if you're into tropical prints, they have the red one that's like tropical with leaves and flowers. That one is really, really pretty too. And you guys, these are just $5 a piece. Now, I do love that they have a little zipper bottom to them too if you wanted to take away or add stuffing and adjust them as you need them. Now, they did have a bunch of outdoor toys, but a couple of them I wanted to feature are this large unicorn donut and then this inflatable pizza toss game that just arrived. These are $5 a piece. Now, this was neat too. So this is a shell collector bag. It's a mesh bag with a handle, but I see so many options on using this for so many other different things. And this is actually $3. You can get it in blue or pink, but you can have multi-purpose uses for this bag. I love this. This is a citronella candle in one of those wood bowls. This is gorgeous, you guys. So this is an 11-ounce candle in the bowl. Once the citronella burns down, you can repurpose that wood bowl. And it's $7. Now, they do have this solar light, which is really nice too. This really caught my eye with the design. Now, it is a tall solar light, but look at the design. So pretty. And you know what? You could put this outside your door. You could put it along a driveway. And I love that it is a taller solar light, so it's more prominent at night. You guys, this is only $5. Now, they do have this rope light as well. This is really nice. And this is a solar rope light. Never seen solar rope lights. This is just $6 at Dollar Tree and it has 50 lights. Have you guys seen this solar mobile with the butterflies that light up? I've never seen this before, but it was so pretty, you guys. So they did have that as well. That one's really pretty too. You know, they have so many different things at $6. Now, remember the bowls that I showed you with the graduation items that were $3? They have matching cups in gold and silver for $3, and they come in an 8-count pack. So if you have been looking for matching cups to match that bowl, check it out in the plus section. Now, if you missed my last Dollar Tree video featuring even more awesome scores and finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you all enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope that you guys find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up and be sure to leave me a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget, it's free to subscribe and you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live or drop a new video. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you all next time.